People, Rabbi Jones here from RBJ Creative Studio. So I couldn't vote. Yeah, I couldn't vote. So there are reasons for me not voting because I had to do some things and well, I came to Accra.
We are rob echo declare Kutiati Emra and you ready to stay for peace. Nayama come near Sunche Emra or mine
KFC, one joint in Accra.
May I say it's where a Ghana Journalists Association a year after money or no and or your doctors is it's Dr. Afemono or no our GJA's president. And now what's in Canon? DJ Jasu, you stand for peace, my wife. Of course. As we get it here and here so.
All I say, we go say you made the problem.
Accra and my constituency is somewhere in Kumasi. So coming to Accra, definitely I can vote. So right now I'm here at Angel FM Accra to do some designs, some graphics for them, so they post on the social media pages. And with that being said, I can't be in Kumasi to vote. So yeah, I couldn't vote. Look, I couldn't vote. Yeah, so right now I'm going to the washroom because John sweat me. So yeah, I couldn't vote. But then I'm very sure we all voted. Everybody voted. You voted. So we're good to go. And it's 4 more days for me to go back to Kumasi. Yeah, 4 more days for me to go back to Kumasi. So yeah, that's the whole reason to it. I just wanted you guys to know. So yeah, that will be it. Rabbi Jones here from RBJ Creative Studio. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, whatever you have to do, and I'll see you very soon.